So today I'm going to be making a really delicious breakfast recipe. I'm making carrot cake overnight oats. So what I'm going to be using for this recipe is some rolled oats, grated carrot, got some oat milk, however you could use whichever plant-based milk you like, some cinnamon, some shredded coconut, some chopped walnuts, chia seeds. I'm using currants, however you could use sultanas, and some maple syrup, and I've got the Happy Way vanilla vegan protein powder. So this recipe is something that you can make the night before. Just throw everything into a bowl and mix it all together, or you could add it into a jar, shake it up and set it in the fridge, and then the next morning it'll be ready to eat. I also like to top it off with some coconut yogurt and some fresh fruit.